Hello dear students, I am showing you the litmus paper. Here two papers are there, one is blue, another one is red. So you are looking the blue litmus paper. So I am doing test. I am taking the lemon water, a drop of lemon water, putting on the blue litmus. So here the result you are seeing. So easily the blue litmus turns into red. So the when the blue litmus turns to red means that is acid. So you are looking the acid. So another one is the red litmus. So I'm putting the soap water on red litmus. So you are seeing the red litmus turns into blue litmus. So that is the characteristics of base. So dear students, another important concept. So acid means the hydronym ion, H plus ions are there. So base means hydroxyl ion, OH minus is there. So the more number of hydronym ion, there is strong acid. The more number of hydroxyl ion, that is strong base. So thank you, one and all.